of fix is used when EAC fails to initialize, crashes at launch, or throws error codes like 3000/service error crash handler. Arc Raiders Easy Anti-Cheat Crash Report Handler Full Fix Guide. Step 1. Completely close stuck Easy Anti-Cheat services. Many times the crash happens because EAC is already broken in the background. 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC Open Task Manager. 2. End these if you see them. EasyAntiCheat.exe, Easy Anti-Cheat EOSE, Arc Raiders. 3. Restart your PC. After restart, do not open any apps except Steam, Epic, and the game. App Step 2. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat manually. Very important. 1. Go to your game folder. Example, Steam Apps Common Arc Raiders Easy Anti-Cheat. 2. Run Easy Anti-Cheat EOS Core Setup.exe. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Uninstall, close it, open it again. Click Install to repair. 4. Restart PC again. This rebuilds the anti-cheat service. Most crash handler errors are fixed here. Step 3. Verify game files. Patch errors fix. Corrupted files after an update are the #1 reason this error appears. On Steam, Library, Arc Raiders, Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Epic, Library, 3 dots on Arc Raiders, Manage, Verify. Wait until 100% finishes, then reboot PC. Step 4. Disable conflicting software. Very common cause. Before launching the game, close or disable MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner, Discord Overlay, GeForce Overlay, Reshade, RGB Software, Armory Crate, IQ, Mystic Light, Macro Tools / FPS Unlockers, VPNs, Process Hacker Debuggers. Also, temporarily disable third-party antivirus, turn off Windows Sandbox virtual machine software if you use it. Anti-cheat will instantly crash if it detects system-level hooks. Step 5. Add exclusions in Windows Security. 1. Open Windows Security. 2. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. 3. Click Manage Settings. 4. Scroll Exclusions, add or remove exclusions. 5. Add these folders: Arc Raiders folder, Easy Anti-Cheat folder, Steam or Epic Games folder. This prevents Windows from blocking EAC drivers. Step 6. Check Windows System Integrity, Hidden Cause. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and run one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. After it finishes, run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. Corrupted Windows system files often break Easy Anti-Cheat services. Step 7. Update critical system components. Make sure these are fully updated. Windows Update, GPU driver, clean install recommended, Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, .NET Framework. Old system runtimes can cause the crash handler to fail. Step 8. Launch properly. 1. Restart PC. 2. Open Steam Epic as administrator. 3. Do not open any background apps. 4. Launch Arc Raiders. 5. Wait at the anti-cheat screen. Don't click. Why this error happens. This crash is not a normal game crash. It happens because Easy Anti-Cheat fails to install its service, load its driver, pass Windows security checks, or conflicts with background programs. When that happens, Arc Raiders shuts down instantly and shows the crash report handler. Final note: if after all steps it still crashes, the remaining causes are broken Windows installation, unsupported system configuration, or a game-side patch issue, very common after new updates. In that case, the fixes above are still correct, but the patch itself must be stabilized.